Okay, hello and welcome to this weather alert. We have a severe thunderstorm watch for Suffolk County. The thunderstorms are moving in. Here they are, this is some quite severe weather that is moving in. And right now it's for Suffolk, so they're thinking maybe in Nassau we'll miss the worst of it, but I'm not so sure. Um, this is a pretty substantial batch of storms right here that is coming in. You can see right here, pretty substantial. Um, and There's a tornado warning actually for it looks like part of Connecticut. Let's see what we got here. Tornado warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for central Litchfield County in Connecticut. This is it's mainly affecting rural areas. There's also tornado warning for northwestern Dutchess for the same storm. This is really a really threatening look here for the radar. This is so much going on with the weather. Here's what it looks like on the satellite. And again, we're back to the poor air quality today too. Let me go to the lightning. See how much lightning is being produced here by these storms. Oh, tons of lightning. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, you got lots of lightning here from these storms as well. But it looks like, at least the way they're tracking, that they'll affect more Suffolk County and more eastern Suffolk County. But we're gonna have to keep our eye on this because this is pretty bad right here. And let me just go to the other radar site. I keep this. Get an idea of what's happening, and I'm sure these storms are knocking out power as well. If we can load the radar, that would be nice. It appears that we can't even load it. A lot of these weather hammered because of there we go. This is the higher resolution radar, so you can get an idea of where this is at. So this is a whole line here that's moving, and there's a warm front here that's kind of stuck. It's become a focal point for these storms. So there you go. You can see the purple there, bad over there. So this is all heading toward us, but it's heading in the south northwest direction. So maybe the worst of this won't hit us in Nassau. That's why we're not under the severe thunderstorm watch. But Suffolk County is going to have to watch out for sure. Okay, so let me update you on the other big weather story here, and that is Laura, which is now a tropical storm. So it is finally weakened to a tropical storm, but it is still rather intense. So we're going to go over this. As of 1 p.m., location about 65 miles east-northeast of Shreveport, Louisiana. Maximum sustained winds 65 miles an hour still, so it's a pretty strong tropical storm. Movement is north at 15 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure 988 millibars or 29.18 inches. So very unusual to see such a strong storm make it this far inland. Tropical storm force winds extend out up to 105 miles from the center, with a gust of 62 at Monroe Regional Airport in Louisiana. So, really, this was the first time, actually, I think a hurricane warning actually had been issued as far north as Shreveport. So, first time in history that has happened. And the strongest storm to impact Louisiana in, this part of Louisiana in 175 years or something like that. Let's go to the power outage map. So 607,000 power outages in Louisiana. And now the power outages are now spreading into Arkansas and Mississippi as well. So look at this deep red here. This is like complete blackouts here in these areas pretty much. So significant damage to the transmission system in these areas here. Like I said, this storm has just caused so many power outages It's unbelievable. It's mainly, and then you have Texas also, and now you're starting to see Arkansas be affected as well. Um, your the southern counties are getting affected too with these outages as well. So this is going to continue northward. This storm is still churning away. Um, Even Mississippi's got some outages now. So here, yep. So let me check the satellite. Just go to Tropical Tidbits. And this is what it looks like on the satellite. So you can still clearly see the circulation. There it is. I can see it. Wow. There you go. So I'm not going to wait for the whole thing to load. So we'll get back to our weather here. And again, severe thunderstorm watch for Suffolk County. Tornado warnings in Connecticut. Really nasty line of storms that is off to our north. Farmingdale is not even reporting conditions. It's 88 in Central Park. 84 at Islip. There is a strong sea breeze south at 9, gusting 21. That's good. So we do have a good sea breeze out there. That'll help keep things a little better, I guess, for us. But again, these storms definitely nothing to you know nothing, I'm sorry, I'm out of words here with all the crazy stuff going on with the weather. So that's going to be it for this weather alert. Take care and be safe.